Welcome back to the final session of our Mbal, learning how to use Mbal. So we are going to run our prediction. So we click on run prediction, and here we are going to choose where our prediction is going to go. And then remember, we have the time we selected. So we are going to basically click on calculate so that it can calculate all this information about how much oil has been produced, how much oil has been recovered. So just come and calculate, and it does the whole work for you to give you the report for all the years. So since this is just one well, it is giving me information about the producer well. So this is the prediction that is giving me. So if we are using history or simulation, we are going to come here and select that, the different streams. So after this, I can look at my production, how much oil is in our tank. We can change the variables and look at different variables depending on maybe we can look at the oil rate. If you want, you can put in two different ones versus something else, maybe versus tank pressure. I click on done, so I will have two graphs at the same time. So basically this is it, and I'm clicking on done. I've finished running the prediction, and I would want to look at the tank results. These are the tank results that we got. This is basically because we are working with just one tank, and these are the results we've gotten. I hope we've had a lot of learning to do, and I hope you'll be able to work with more complex work with Mbal wherever you are. Thank you very much for being a part of us, and thank you for attending. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's Kiza Thomas taking you through, and please recommend your friend to come and be part of this channel for a quick basic learning of Mbal software. Thank you very much. We come back in another session.